हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आइए आज सीखते हैं नए सेंटेंसेस नई वीडियो में। तुमने मेरा दिन बना दिया। यू मेड माई डे। यू मेड माई डे। पहले मेरी बात पूरी सुन लो। लेट मी फिनिश फर्स्ट। लेट मी फिनिश फर्स्ट। अब जो होना था हो गया। What's done is done. What's done is done. मुझे थोड़ा समय चाहिए। I need some time. I need some time. इतनी जल्दी हार मत मानो। Don't give up so easily. Don't give up so easily. तुम हमेशा लेट क्यों आते हो? Why are you always late? Why are you always late? मुझे इस पर यकीन नहीं हो रहा। I can't believe this. I can't believe this. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ। I am not joking. I am not joking. अभी मेरा मूड बात करने का नहीं है। I'm not in the mood to talk right now. I'm not in the mood to talk right now. सब कुछ योजना के अनुसार हुआ। Everything went according to plan. Everything went according to plan. मैं बाद में फ़ोन करता हूँ। I'll call you later. I'll call you later. अब मुझे चलना चाहिए। I should get going now. I should get going now. तुमने सही फैसला लिया। You made the right decision. You made the right decision. आज का दिन काफी व्यस्त रहा। Today was quite busy. Today was quite busy. मुझे कोई जल्दी नहीं है। I am in no hurry. I am in no hurry. मुझे उस पर पूरा भरोसा है। I trust him completely. I trust him completely. मैं बस 5 मिनट में आता हूँ। I'll be back in just 5 minutes. I'll be back in just 5 minutes. तुम्हारी बात में दम है। You have a point. You have a point. मुझे थोड़ा आराम करना है। I need to get some rest. I need to get some rest. क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help me? Can you help me? मुझे इस बात की उम्मीद नहीं थी। I wasn't expecting this. I wasn't expecting this. आज मौसम बहुत अच्छा है। The weather is really nice today. The weather is really nice today. मैं रास्ते में हूँ। I am on my way. I am on my way. चिंता करने की कोई बात नहीं है। There's nothing to worry about. There's nothing to worry about. तुमने मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell me earlier? Why didn't you tell me earlier? मुझे भूख नहीं लग रही। I am not feeling hungry. I am not feeling hungry. तुम आज बहुत खुश लग रहे हो। You look very happy today. You look very happy today. आज इतनी जल्दी कैसे उठ गए? How did you wake up so early today? How did you wake up so early today? क्या तुम मेरी बात समझ आई? क्या तुम्हें मेरी बात समझ आई? Did you understand what I said? Did you understand what I said? यह मेरे बस की बात नहीं है. It's beyond my control. It's beyond my control. मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगा. I'll do my best. I'll do my best. तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. You did a great job. You did a great job. तुम हर बात को दिल पर क्यों लेते हो? Why do you take everything personally? Why do you take everything personally? मुझे तुम पर गर्व है. I'm proud of you. I am proud of you. यह इतना आसान नहीं है. It's not that easy. It's not that easy. तुम हमेशा मुझे हंसा देते हो. You always make me laugh. You always make me laugh. मैं अभी व्यस्त हूँ. I am busy right now. I am busy right now. तुम बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हो. You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. I can't figure anything out. I can't figure anything out. तुम इतनी चिंता क्यों करते हो? Why do you worry so much? Why do you worry so much? मैं अभी वापस आता हूँ. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. तुमने खाना खा लिया? Have you eaten? Have you eaten? आज बहुत थकान हो रही है. I am feeling very tired today. I am feeling very tired today. तुम बहुत बदल गए हो. You have changed a lot. You have changed a lot. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. मुझे इस पर सोचने दो. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. मैं तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा था. I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. मुझे यह आइडिया पसंद आया. I like this idea. I like this idea. अब कोई बहाना मत बनाओ. Don't make excuses anymore. Don't make excuses anymore. तुम इतनी जल्दी गुस्सा क्यों हो जाते हो? Why do you get angry so quickly? Why do you get angry so quickly? मुझे इस जगह से प्यार है. I love this place. I love this place. मैं तुम्हें बाद में बताऊंगा. I'll tell you later. I'll tell you later. मुझे यकीन था कि तुम आओगे. I knew you'd come. I knew you would come. यह मेरे लिए नई बात है. This is new to me. This is new to me. तुमने मेरा भरोसा जीत लिया. You have earned my trust. You have earned my trust. मैं सच कह रहा हूं. I'm telling the truth. I'm telling the truth. मुझे देर हो रही है. I am getting late. I am getting late. यह सुनकर अच्छा लगा. Glad to hear that. Glad to hear that. तुमने सही समय पर फोन किया. You called at the right time. You called at the right time. मैं अभी सोच नहीं पा रहा हूं. I can't think right now. I can't think right now. मुझे इस बात से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter to me. तुम्हें आराम की जरूरत है. You need some rest. You need some rest. मैं तुम्हारी बात मानता हूं. I agree with you. I agree with you. सब लोग तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहे हैं. Everyone is waiting for you. Everyone is waiting for you. मुझे देर तक जागने की आदत है. I am used to staying up late. I am used to staying up late. क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? तुमने मुझे चौंका दिया. You surprised me. You surprised me. मुझे इसकी उम्मीद थी. I expected this. I expected this. तुम बहुत अच्छा समझाते हो. You explain things really well. You explain things really well. मैं जल्द ही लौटूंगा. I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. आज कुछ अलग करते हैं. Let's do something different today. Let's do something different today. मुझे तुम्हारी याद आ रही थी. I was missing you. I was missing you. अब मुझे समझ में आया. Now I get it. Now I get it. तुमने सही समय चुना. You picked the right time. You picked the right time. मैं किसी का इंतजार कर रहा हूं. I am waiting for someone. I am waiting for someone. यह बात किसी को मत बताना. Don't tell anyone about this. Don't tell anyone about this. मुझे कोई शिकायत नहीं है. I have no complaints. I have no complaints. तुमने मेरा काम आसान कर दिया. You made my job easier. You made my job easier. मैं इसे कभी नहीं भूलूंगा. I'll never forget this. I'll never forget this. मुझे यह चुनौती पसंद है. I like this challenge. I like this challenge. तुम हमेशा सकारात्मक रहते हो. You always stay positive. You always stay positive. मुझे अब जाना होगा. I have to leave now. I have to leave now. मुझे इस पर गर्व महसूस होता है. I feel proud of it. I feel proud of it. तुम बहुत मेहनत करते हो. You worked very hard. You worked very hard. आज का दिन यादगार रहेगा. Today will be memorable. Today will be memorable. मुझे कोई परेशानी नहीं है. I don't have any problem. I don't have any problem. तुमने मुझे प्रेरित किया. You inspired me. You inspired me. मैं पूरी तरह तैयार हूँ. I'm fully prepared. I am fully prepared. यह मौका बार बार नहीं मिलता. This opportunity doesn't come often. This opportunity doesn't come often. मुझे थोड़ा पानी चाहिए. I need some water. I need some water. तुम हमेशा मुस्कुराते रहो. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. मैं तुम्हारी राय जानना चाहता हूँ. I would like to know your opinion. I would like to know your opinion. आज सब कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है. Everything feels good today. Everything feels good today. मुझे उस पर गर्व है. I am proud of him. I am proud of him. तुम बहुत समझदार हो. You are very sensible. You are very sensible. मैं इसे खुद कर लूँगा. I'll do it myself. I'll do it myself. अब मुझे कोई डर नहीं है. I'm not afraid anymore. I'm not afraid anymore. तुमने बिल्कुल सही कहा. You said it exactly right. You said it exactly right. सीखना कभी बंद मत करो. Never stop learning. Never stop learning. Friends, आपको यह वीडियो कैसा लगा आप हमें कमेंट में ज़रूर बताएं. यदि पसंद आया है तो एक लाइक ज़रूर दें और साथ ही साथ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. तो मिलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.